Guys, good morning. It is Sunday, 5:30. Sunday, November 23. Today is Elysian Day. Mag-Elysian kami. DIY trip. Tignan natin kung sasucess at matutuwa sa Elysian ng mga person. Hindi siya mura, ha? It's not cheap to go there. True. But, let's see. We're gonna ride the high-speed railway going to Chiayi. That's from Chiayi, it's a bus going to Elysian itself. So, let's see. Good morning. Say hi, Kamsi.
Hi.
Shy, naka-shorts for today's video.
Girl today.
Yes, totoong babae po si Kamsi. Kung meron mga questions. Kung meron, baka meron lang nag-question, di ba, ever in this world. Di ba? Pero babae po si Kamsi. Opo. Anyway, punta kaming Taipei main station and then I'll vlog again there para hindi malobat yung camera. Bye! We're out and about. Itong itsura ng babae. Ito itsura ng Taipei kapag 5 a.m. 6 a.m. 6 a.m. The sun is out pero madilim pa nga sa part na to. It's not too cold today. Sakto lang. At yan. Punta lang kami ng Taipei main station. Mag-Uber kami. And then we'll figure it out from there. Actually guys, yung weather ng Taipei, hindi siya yung sobrang lamig at this moment. Like it goes 20, 18, ganyan, 17. Pero nagpapalamig talaga is yung hangin. Pag sobrang lakas ng hangin, grabe, ang lamig din talaga. So, it's bearable. You can wear a skirt, but if you're sensitive sa cold, make sure to like wear heat tech, kahit yung leggings na heat tech, or heat tech under your jacket if it's not enough. So, ayun. And yung traffic sa Taipei, hindi mo siya mararamdaman. Yesterday, I feel like yun yung pinaka-traffic na naramdaman namin. Parang siguro it was just a stoplight. Tapos there were a lot of cars. And then, once nag-go na, wala na. As in, dire-diretso na talaga. At, like, unlike sa atin, na kapag fully packed yung isang side na may stoplight, hindi pa rin siya abante pag nag-go, diba? Kasi puno. Dito, the roads are so big. I think there are 4 or 3 lanes per side ng road. So, it's really wide. Yun, we're just waiting for the Uber. But, once we're in main station, Taipei main station, well, I'll vlog again. Hi guys! Nakarating na kami sa Chiayi station. Nag-high-speed railway lang kami from Taipei main station going here. Yung biyahe, sobrang on time naman nung train. So, umalis kami parang 6:26. Tapos, sobrang layo kasi. So, yung mismong pagdating namin, ito, 8:09 na, 8:09. So, asan na ka? Ayun, nakita ko na siya. May liwanag, charis. Pero sobrang smooth lang talaga ng biyahe. Malamig. Nakita na namin yung, bus. Maaga pa. Medyo maaga pa, pero yun. Bili muna kami food and magsi-CR. Ito yung toilet. And then, pila na kami later. Doon. So, yan. Get you guys back later. Whoosh. Yung biyahe. Correct. Nag-CR lang kami, guys. We're gonna eat out there. Baka 7-Eleven or yung Moe's Burger. But we'll see. Di pa kami kumain. Kasi nag-banana bread lang mga person. So, let's eat first. Amazing. Nasa Starbucks lang kami guys. Bumili lang kami ng kape. Tapos mga hindi pa nagkakape at hindi pa kumakain. Maybe I should ask her. Remove people. 9:30 pa yung first alis ng bus. It's 8:29 pa lang ngayon. Nasa Moe's Burger kami. Kakain lang kami. 9:30 pa naman eh.
Ay, salamat.
Yan na yan. Yan na yan. So, maliit lang talaga yun.
Gusto naman naman.
Basta meron. Meron pa naman ito.
Every train station sa kanila.
Sana maanghang. Open. Mahina ka kasi sa kanin. Got some chicken nuggets. Yan yata siya. Pinupunit kasi pala to. Talagang tumingin ka ba sa kaya pala sabi ko, ano nangyayari? What's happening? Ano mga boxes na yan? Lemon. Convenient. Sarap. Sarap siya. Sarap siya. Nakapila na kami guys. What's with my hair? Anyway, nakapila na kami sa bus stop to Alicia. We're just waiting. Nag-book pala kami sa Klook ng transfer. Magkano yung ano natin? Yung sa QR, magkano? Pesos. NTD. Nasa 880. Ayun.
Lang ng style sa ano.
So guys, hindi kami umabot. Bitin eh. So 9:30 yung trip. Pero puno na yung bus. So ang next is 10:10. So if you guys wanna ride the bus, you have to go early. Kasi yung pila pag hindi kasha, next bus. So there's 9:30, 10:10, tas 11 to Alicia. So ayun. We're gonna wait for the 10:10 bus. Buti na lang may patience pa si Camille Haban. Kasi kung wala, talagang magwawala. Kung hindi sinap. Meron din pala guys, nag-offer dito ng parang car siguro nila. Going to Alicia. Faster yata yung route, pero I think it's expensive. So, parang ganun siguro. Oo. Parang yung FX, punuan. So, mag-wait kami ng hanggang 10:10. 30 minutes lang naman. So, not bad. Malamig din and may shade naman. So, okay lang. Yeah. Actually, tirik na tirik yung araw. Pero malamig yung hangin. Buti na lang. Hindi, nagyayamot na siguro.
Araw hindi masud sa balak.
Oo. Mainit lang pero hindi. Ouch. This is the bus. It's leaving. Sumakses din kami. So, pinapauna pala talaga nila yung mga bumili ng ticket mismo sa Family Mart, I think. Tapos kung ilan na lang yung kasha, yun yung next nila ipapasakay. If hindi na cut off, next bus. So, make sure to go early. So, may 8:30, 10, 10, 11, tas 11. After nung 11, 1:30 na yung kasunod. Binili na namin ticket namin sa Klook. Mag-Klook na lang kami. So,
make sure din na mag-i-screenshot mo yung sa QR kasi per head meron siyang
Ibang
each,
QR code.
QR code.
Yeah, for example, 3 kami. So, 3 din yung QR codes. And nakita namin kanina, parang isa lang yung pinakita niyang QR for the 2 of them. Dapat hindi ganito. Yeah, so, nagtagal sila sa may pila. But anyway, we're on the way there. Halos 2 hours 30. 2.5 hours yung biyahe. So, we'll see you guys there. What's up, guys? Hi, guys. So, nakarating na kami. We're in Alishan na. Cool. Nakala ko ang init sa labas kasi ang init sa bus. But, we're walking na to go inside Alishan. Alishan. So, yan. Pasok na muna kami. You're lucky. Hi guys. So, nakabili na kami ticket ng, we're here na sa Alishan Railway. So, nakabili na kami ng ticket to Zhaoping Station. So, we're gonna start from there. Then, we'll see how it goes, if mapapagod ba tayo or not. So, we'll see, we'll see. So, right now, we're just waiting kasi the next trip is 2 o'clock. It's 1:38 PM pa lang. So, ayan. We're just gonna wait for the train. It's kind of cold. Nasa 16 degrees ngayon. Here, that's what it says. So, ayan. We're just gonna wait for the train. And we're gonna go there and explore the Alishan Forest. So, yan. Yun lang naman. Oh, ano pala. When you ride the bus from Chai Station going to Alishan, the driver will give you like a ticket. I think that's what you give yung counter. So you get like 50% off. So from 300, 150 na lang yung fare or yung entrance fee going inside. So, yan. Make sure to use that or use the public so na makatipid ka konti. But yeah. Excited to walk around, so this is what it looks like from here. Not focusing, but yeah. I'll see you guys there when we ride the train. Nandito na kami.
Lamig.
Going to Zhaoping.
Very early yung nila. Yung time nila. Kasi nakalagay 2 PM. Tama? 2 PM yung departure. Pero yeah, nagpasakay agad sila ng
1:53. Dumating na yung train ng 1:53.
And ayos yung data nila. Wala talagang mga singit. So all goods.
Even yung sa bus na papunta dito galing Chai. Namiss ko mag-yakiniku. Ayaw kasi nung yakiniku sa yakiniku sa BGC. Ayun. Wala naman tayong ganap. Wala tayong ganap eh. Masyadong malayo at walang ganap sa mga.
Ang hirap naman din lagi ako sila na mga rider ko.
Kasi malas natin. Weekday kasi tayo pumunta doon din. Pag weekend naman tayo pumunta doon, umaga naman. Kaya mahirap naman. Yun. Yun. Hi guys. Medyo against the light ata ako. Hindi ko lang sure. Pero, I think, ayun, we're walking na. Nakarating na kami sa Zhaoping Station from Alishan. So, walking lang kami sa trail na to. So, let's see. It's really cold. Nag 15 degrees na. Kanina parang 16, 17 lang. 15 na ngayon eh. So, yan. Sorry, huy. Ito. Okay naman si ate. Yan. Dalakad lang kami konti. So, when we get there, I'll take a video again. Bang malobat na naman. But, yeah. So, here we are. Here we are. Uy, may nagawa.
Alam mo yung masakit pa siya sa hindi. Sabi, bigla ako humingi.
Yan guys, we're starting to walk here. That's what it looks like. Oh. So pretty here. Ang lamig. Sobrang lamig. Oy. So, pababa siya. And let's go down. Taka siguro sila. Ba't kaya nakapalda to? Parang ito na yung sister's pond. Pero hindi ko ipapakita sa inyo.
Puntahan nyo.
Puntahan nyo na lang. Bakit? Mahal-mahal yung bayad punta dito. Kidding.
Subscribe mo na.
Pag nag-subscribe kayo, papakita ko sa inyo. Charis. Ito guys, yung pond. Dahil mabait ako. Ito. Yan. It's the sister's pond. That's it daw. So pretty here, guys. If you guys love nature, like mga hikes, ganun, this is really nice to go to. It's a bit expensive. I mean, pricey siya kasi the travel. It's basically like sa dulo na, padulo na talaga siya ng Taiwan. So, you're gonna need to book in advance, ganyan. If you're a group, I think it's gonna be cheaper and it's easier to go here. So guys, ang tawag dito is elder sister pond. Yung kanina sister's pond. So mas matanda siguro to.
Ate niya.
Ate niya eh. Yan, it's a bigger pond. Pond Naravit. More walking. This place is so nice, guys. Ang ganda. If you love nature walks, you should go here. Ay, dyan lang pala kayo sa gabi. It's giving twilight. What happened, Bella? Why are you crying again? Vampire, right? The vampire will fade to me. Jacob, I trusted you.
Hindi malagkit. Siguro kasi sa lamig.
Yung weather, I think. Anong kind of tree ito? I have no idea. Kasi manipis lang siya, pero mataas, matangkad pala. Wow. Ganito palang feeling ni Edward nung na-shine siya ng light, tas naging diamond glitter siya. Wow. Maganda nga kasi pababa nga siya. So guys, if pupunta kayo dito, parang maganda if Zhaoping yung puntahan nyo muna kasi yung route niya is pababa. So, hindi siya ganun kasakit if pababa. Pag pataas kasi masakit agad sa tuhod. Yeah. Pero ang daming nag-hiking dito. It's such a nice trail to try. Yeah. Exercise, ganun. Perfect siya for exercise. Pero you just have to be careful kasi sobrang steep ng ano. It's the steep. Oh. Do you see this, guys? Kinukuha na ako ng liwanag talaga. So, bumaba na kami from We're looking for food. Let's see what they have. Let's see what it looks like. I'm just sitting down, guys. I'm gonna buy food. I tasted yung pork kanina dun. I'm gonna buy that. Cams is buying yung chicken braised. Oh, what's yung chicken? She doesn't eat pork, so that's the only option she has here. And we'll see if... Well, masarap yung pork kanina, so parang okay naman. I just want pork and rice. I'm also looking for Coke. It's a Coke addict. $2.59 na, by the way. Yun lang. I'll see you later again. We're gonna start walking after eating. Bumili si Cams ng something chicken. And guys, look at how many yung ano, how much food there is. Yeah. Hi guys, so umupo muna kami saglit. We bought food lang. There's someone pole dancing in front of us. It's literally 60 degrees outside and she's wearing like a bikini hair. She's doing tricks and stuff. She's doing a handstand. Alam mo, recently ko lang, late in life ko lang nalaman na umiikot pala yung pole. Kaya pala hindi sila nasasaktan. Masyado. Aray ko po. Pero ang lamig ah. And mabilis ang kain lang kami, guys. So, lakad na kami pabalik. Kasi it's 3:12. Siguro mga 20 minutes lakad. Dire-diretso lang. Tapos, we're going back to Alishan and then going back to Taipei. We might go to Ximending. Kasi hindi pa namin nahanap yung matcha. Ay, Diyos ko. Matcha. Matcha na lang talaga, guys. Hi, guys. Malulubad niyang packet pero kami ay pauwi na. So, ang sasakay namin is yung bus to TRA. So, bus 7322. Matagal yung biyahe pero mas mas convenient, I guess. Kasi pag bumaba ka pa ng railway, isa pa ulit bayad yun. So, mas mahal siya. Cheaper. So, you guys can search it. It's easier to go that way. So, okay na kami. Oras na yun ay 4:37. Siguro mga 4 hours pa, but at least makaka-uwi. I'll see you guys na lang later pag nakarating na kami sa Taipei ulit or somewhere. So, bye-bye! Hi guys! Good morning! Ang oras ay 6:11. Kami ay pupunta na ng Taoyuan International Airport. Nag-fill out lang kami ng e-travel. So, ayun. We're saying bye-bye to Taiwan. Bye, Taiwan! See you next year! Ay, nako.
Mickey Mouse.
Si Minnie. Yun, mag-check out lang din kami sa hotel. Then, diretso airport na. So, let's go! Let's freaking go! Yun lang. See you guys at the airport. Hi guys! Sa labas namin ng hotel, nag-aantay na kami ng Uber. Nag-Uber kami to Taipei main station. Of course, airport transfer. Then yung flight namin, parang 8 ang boarding. 10:20 yung flight. So, 8 siguro dapat nandun na kami at latest. So, hopefully, partying ng aga. Yun. See you guys at the airport. Sad to say bye to Taiwan. Sobrang bitin ng 4 days. Should come back next year maybe. Hopefully for more days. Mga 5 days, 7 days, mga 1 week, ganun. Diba? Lahat. Diba? Nang hindi ka nagmamadali or what. True. Pick up in 5 minutes though. So I'll see you guys at the airport. Hi guys. Nasa train na kami. Going to the airport. Time check. 6:50. So, maaga pa. We're here. We arrived na at Terminal 1. So, we're just gonna walk to the departures area. It's currently 7:38. So, hindi masyadong rush. Kalma lang. Mga person. Anyway, nasa pila kami guys for backdrop. For the waiting lang. Waiting. Go, mag-CR ka na. Tagal pa yan.
So, pwede naman natin siya i-check.
Oh, basta yung passport niya nasa yun. Ang oras ngayon ay 7:50. Tignan natin kung anong oras tayo. Magba-backdrop lang kami guys. Ang haba ng pila, sobra. Yeah. Daming kasabayan.
Susunod pala natin na titignan sa Shein. French food.
Yung mga poster na makakapal talaga.
Pero maganda kasi talaga yung actual na nakikita eh.
Yun nga eh.
Size eh. Kasi pa naman tayo uuwi na naman.
Bit na naman na gano'n.
Tayo kasama ko rin.
Hi guys. So kami nag-aantay sa aming boarding gate. But yun, pauwi na kami ng Manila. And I'm gonna end the vlog here. So, yun. Hopefully, there's another vlog after this. Hopefully lang. Pero gatin lang. Weekend my life. Ganun. Charis. Say bye! Bye! Busy makinig ng online class. Kunwari isa. Bye guys! See you in the next one!